Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. A really quick video today to announce my 12 days of Christmas freebies. So I'm going to be doing free digitals every day from the 1st of December to the 12th of December, and it will come together as a little mini collection. So everything's going to coordinate, and you'll be able to make something lovely or use it within your existing Christmassy projects. So it's all going to have a vintage feel. Okay, and with these beautiful vintage angels that I've found, I've got quite a collection of them. I'm not going to say the whole collection's going to be green. I think I am a little bit inspired by whatever clothes I've got on the day that I create the images. So wait, I'm clutching for straws for colours. No, the colours are determined by the main image there, which is that lovely angel. So they're all going to have a vintage feel, okay? And they are all completely different to any of the other collections that I've already got out there. But you may see some things being reused that I've used in some of my other collections. And yeah, so hopefully they will come together and you'll be able to make something nice. Now, I'm not going to do a video every day showing you every day what I'm giving away. So you'll have to keep an eye on the Facebook group. It's linked below. You're welcome to join. There are 3 joining questions. You really need to answer them to be let in. And if you have a locked or private profile, because I check every profile that comes to join to keep my other members safe, it's a high priority for me to keep that group safe, private, and a safe haven for everybody. So if you have got a locked profile, then unfortunately you won't get in. But otherwise, you're more than welcome to join. So here we've got quite a large image, perfect for a card front maybe, or, you know, large ephemera for your journals or whatever. You could even use that on a small notebook cover. Lots of things you could do. Smaller journaling card. We've got a beautiful tag here. We've got some words with the white background cut out that are larger. So you could hang it off the edge, or, you know, it will fit on there. And we've got them smaller in the vintage paper. And we've got 2 beautiful bows. These bows are sized so that they'll fit on the tag. Okay, and it's just lovely. So every day will be something different. Some days it might be more ephemera like this. It could be envelopes. It could be background pages. It could be, there will be a collage at some point. I'm not sure because, in honesty, I've not made every page yet. So it will be as much of a surprise to me as it is to you. I won't be doing making videos for every single page. What I will do is, once the collection's finished and it all has all come together, I'll come and I'll make a bit of something with the full collection, okay, to give you some inspiration. But hopefully you can use these in whatever you're creating. Make use of them. They're going to be lovely, and you know, it's just a little bit of a freebie from me to you. Available in the Facebook group. They will be in A4 and letter size, JPEG and PDF in the files section. Okay, they're not going to be available anywhere else for now. So if you're somebody that doesn't like Facebook, I can only apologise. I may, once the collection's completed, I may put it on my Ko-fi. I'm not sure yet. I might save it for next year, in honesty. So yeah, I love a little bit of free crafting because I like to make sure that everybody, all you need is a printer and some paper, and then everybody gets the chance to craft something. So hopefully you like it, and you will maybe make something. If you do, share it in the group. You might inspire other people, and we'll just have a little bit of free crafty fun. So I hope you like that. Like I say, keep an eye in the Facebook group for the daily posts, because I will not do a post every day on YouTube. And go and just have some crafty fun, some crafty free fun. That's what we like, free fun. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.